Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can activate video stabilizer on a Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, let's just open up our camera application. And after we have our camera application opened, we can go to the camera setting. Click on the settings icon on the top left. Okay, and here you have to scroll down until you find the video stabilization option. This one, just click on this option, and now the video stabilization or video stabilizer on my Samsung Galaxy A25's camera has been activated. And after we activate this feature, our video or the video we have taken with our camera will be more stable. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate the video stabilizer on the Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.